Hello everyone.
Welcome back to another episode of Mr. and Mrs. Beefcake. What we're going to be doing today is making some homemade anti-inflammatory immune system boosting shots, all made from fresh fruit and vegetables. Put all the links to, everything in the description, so like the food processor, the ingredients, the recipes that we've used.
Let's get started.
Let's go.
The first shot we're making here is the lemon and ginger shot. For this recipe, we use 2 lemons, 1 orange, and about 4 inches of fresh ginger. This shot contains many essential vitamins such as vitamin C, which according to research reduces the risk of heart disease and stroke. Not only that, but it also contains vitamin A, which is important for your vision and supports your immune system. Ginger is also great for your gut health and it speeds up your digestion. For additional benefits such as potassium, we used coconut water as a replacement for filtered water.
The next shot is the carrot, apple, turmeric and black pepper. This recipe contains 2 carrots, 2 apples, 1 teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of black pepper. Carrots contain beta-carotene, which is an antioxidant that gets converted into vitamin A and supports your overall health as well as helping your vision. This shot also contains vitamin P, which helps reduce the risk of stroke. The main active ingredient in turmeric is curcumin, which acts as a great anti-inflammatory. Research shows that adding turmeric into your diet reduces your risk of Alzheimer's, arthritis, and cardiovascular disease. The black pepper is added to help your body better absorb the turmeric.
For shot number 3, we have our green shot. Oops, wrong drink. So, back to the green shot, which is spinach, cucumber and celery. For the recipe, we used 1 cup of fresh spinach, 1 cucumber and 2 to 3 celery sticks. Spinach is known as a superfood as it helps in controlling diabetes. It reduces hypertension and has anti-inflammatory properties. Cucumber contains antioxidants including flavonoids and tannins, which prevent the accumulation of harmful free radicals and may reduce the risk of chronic disease. Celery has approximately 25 anti-inflammatory compounds that can offer protection against inflammation in the body. Pectin-based polysaccharides in celery have been shown to decrease instances of stomach ulcers and improve the lining of the stomach.
Shot number 4 was made with 2 fresh beetroots, 1 cup of strawberries and half a cup of blueberries. Beetroots have been associated with numerous health benefits such as increased exercise performance. They are packed with vitamin B9, manganese, potassium and iron. Blueberries contain calcium, magnesium and phosphorus as well as vitamin K. These compounds fulfill crucial roles in maintaining healthy bones. Blueberries also contain collagen and vitamin C, making them great for skin health. Strawberries and blueberries also contain anthocyanins, which are responsible for the color of the fruit and are associated with numerous benefits, especially regarding heart health.
For our 5th and final shot, we used half a pineapple, approximately 5 sprigs of fresh mint, and about 4 inches of fresh ginger. Pineapple contains disease-fighting antioxidants as well as a group of digestive enzymes called bromelain. This eases the digestion of tough meat proteins. Mint contains a compound called menthol, which is thought to help alleviate IBS symptoms. Research also shows that menthol can subjectively improve nasal breathing, for all you snorers out there. Ginger can cut down on fermentation in the gut, as well as constipation and other causes of bloating and intestinal gas. This shot is extremely easy to make and has an incredible sweet and refreshing taste. If you're a beginner and you're new to making shots, this is a must-have. So here are all of our shots. If you've made it this far and found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next video.